Hello and very welcome to a new tutorial. Sorry for my bad voice, but I'm just recovering from a nasty corona infection. Not too nice, especially during that season. However, I will even though provide you with a new tutorial, and today it's about recreating the iconic the drum and bass track from Bad Company called The Nine. So let's jump in and have a listen what we have. So, with the drums I kept it mostly similar to the original one. Nothing too special, kick, snare, some hi-hats on top. I stamped out the tracks from the track and sampled the snare to get really close to this sound. And again topped it with some percussion layer, rides. Yes, that's it. But I think the interesting part is the bass part, and I split it up in two different parts, the main part and the ending. The main part, both basses are done with Serum. For the first one, I just choose a simple respace from my preset pack, which you can also grab on my Patreon page. And the notes are pretty simple. It's just A and A sharp. That's basically it. We can have a listen here. And then it turns into the ending, and the ending is the interesting part. Also for the second bass I chose Serum. Let me quickly open this. It's this one. It's two harmonic morph oscillators, and the sound design is mostly from the processing afterwards. Also here, note-wise, it's super simple. It's just F sharp and octave up, and then pitch bending. That's basically the sound, and after that there's mostly cueing, and this significant signature sound is mostly because the heads, not the heads, the mids are like crazily boosted, almost like 30 dB here on around 600 kilohertz, which makes it sounding like the original one. Let me show you just the ending. Let me disable the ducking triggers from the MIDI notes quickly. And a low pass filter in the beginning, which makes this whoa. If I turn it off, it's just. and also a bandpass filter, and also a lot of EQ automation afterwards here. And that's it, mostly, really. Yeah, because this is just the ducking from the kick and the snare. So let me quickly turn them on again. Here you can also see the pitch bending, and here you can see that. Yeah, and basically that's it. Here we go again. Oh, this is a solo. Yes, that's already it for today. Hope you liked the quick tutorial. I'll upload the project and the presets on my Patreon page where you can download everything. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.